What is up, Bitcoiners? Hello and welcome to the Stackin Sats podcast, a new show from Bitcoin mining world that is going to jump down the rabbit hole in a way that's never been done before. I'm your host, Trevor Bello, and on this show, I'm going to be building open source and hash rate heating projects within the Bitcoin space. I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. First, because I just really enjoy it. As a hash rate heat punk, as someone who really enjoys the ethos of Bitcoin and what Bitcoin's technology does for us as individuals, I want to learn more. I'm not somebody who learns from watching videos and listening to podcasts all the time, although I want you to listen to this show. I am someone who learns from doing the hands-on, and I'm sure a lot of you are too. I'm a DIYer. Now, this isn't going to be perfect. I'm not perfect, but the whole idea is to take these projects that are difficult to understand, don't have a lot of documentation around them, and can be a little bit challenging for people when they're first getting into the Bitcoin mining scene or Bitcoin scene in general. We're going to take those projects, we're going to build them. I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to give you my experience, and hopefully along those lines you learn something as well and you get the experience to build them yourselves. This show is specifically for DIYers, for tinkerers, for builders, for people who aren't afraid to get their hands dirty and possibly break things. I'm going to be honest, there is going to be a lot of breaking things. Breaking things happens. You know, sometimes you do something wrong and it breaks, and that's okay. We're not here to make perfect polished products. We're here to onboard people into Bitcoin. We're here to show people how Bitcoin projects work. So along those lines, I'm going to be diving into things like the seed signer, an open source hardware wallet. I'm going to dive into building and running your own node. I'm going to dive into things like the BitAxe. There's a lot of different iterations of the BitAxe, things like the Emerge Axe or just a hydro-cooled BitAxe. One of the things that I really want to do, and it's going to be one of the first build episodes that we do, so we're going to talk about this Loki rig that I built. Why is it named the Loki rig? What's so special about it? It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it. A couple other things that you can look forward to is I'm going to show you guys how to mod a APW12 power supply so that you can run the S19s and the S21s on 110 volt. Keep in mind, most of these things I haven't done. So I'm going to be learning with you guys, and it's going to be a lot of fun jumping into some of these projects, talking to some of the developers and the builders who have built these projects before. Before I let you go, to all the people who have watched this show in the past and are saying, this isn't Plemenko, this isn't the Stackin Sats pod. Things have changed. We're going a little bit of a different route. I'm the new host, and while I am deeply grateful for what Plemenko has done and the videos that he's put out, the new show is going to be a completely different vibe. Still Bitcoin, different vibe. So I really hope you guys will follow me along this journey. I hope that you guys enjoy the show. And if you do like the idea, please subscribe and follow so that you can stay tuned. And with that, guys, welcome to Stackin Sats. I hope that you guys enjoy the show. We have a lot of work to do, so let's get stacking.